What's up guys, welcome back to the SLD channel for another song reaction video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be checking out EVA CASSIDY, and this one is Songbird. Can't wait to hear a version of the song. Okay guys, yes, so I've heard this song sing by Fleetwood Mac before. It's a beautiful song, very beautiful song, so I can't wait to hear her cover this one. Alright, so let's jump into the video.
The sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like this. Know the score, and I love you, I love you, I love you like never before.
Give me chills for sure. Wow, so beautiful, and her vocal is just impeccable. Very beautiful vocals, like, and her first our voice control, like wow, wow, goosebump, no lie, no lie. Just listening to the musical interlude in this part is just so beautiful, guys. Like you feel at peace. I don't know, like this calm peaceness touches you just listening to it. I don't know. It's just so beautiful piece, guys.
I would give the world to you. I'd never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you,
like never before. I'm not crying. Tried so hard not to. Guys, that was so beautiful. Like I said, hearing the musical interlude in between her singing, like it does kind of, bring this calmness over me. Then she started to sing again, and the chills come back, and I started to feel so emotional. I'm like, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Wow, that was such a beautiful piece, very beautiful piece, guys. Like, it touched me, it did. Wow. Comment down below, let me hear how you feel hearing this one, guys. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you in another video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.